Hey guys, we have Manjari here with us today and we are going to try on the 7 set extension in the ash brown balayage shade, and this is a natural wavy texture which we are going to put on her, and let's see how that works. This is where I'm going to be putting the 4 clip set. This is a 4 piece. Then I'm going to section a layer underneath the 4 clip set. And here is where I'll be placing the 3 clips. Similarly, I'm going to do a section above the 4 clip and place the other 3 set clip here. So this is how it looks before I put the front sections. As you can see, it has increased her hair length. She as it is had very good volume, so we had to go in for a 200 grams of extension and not 120 or 160. Now since she's going to maintain a side part, I'm going to section the hair in front and first place the 2 clip extension, which is going to be followed by the 1 clip. Similarly, I'm going to do the same on the other side. So this is the natural wavy texture what we have put on. So for the extensions to blend in better, we are going to use a curler and show you the final result. So basically how we are going to be doing it is that I'll take a section of her hair and the extension and then curl it away from her face. So I'm going to repeat this process throughout her hair and then show you how the final result looks like. This is the end result after we curl the extensions, and just turn on the side. This is how it looks from the back.